Get cracking this Christmas with the fun-filled, thrilling Christmas S.T.E.A.M camp. Make December the best month of this year. Design and decorate your Christmas tree with glowing ornaments. Make flying machines and blast-off games with Santa Blast-Off. Reindeer launch. Angel takeoff. Flying Christmas tree. And snowman flies off. Engineer a Santa rescue mission. Santa is stuck in the chimney. How can we get him out? Design adorable Santa Hug Me Bots and give him the warm hug he needs. Give the joy of love with a personalized light-up Christmas card. Make LED cards. All included in this virtual Christmas S.T.E.A.M camp. Wait, there's more. Relax and unwind with this bonus freebie. Christmas Mandala ebook. Have the best December ever. Enroll now. It's free for the first 7 days.